Lord God, watch Marcia. Watch Marcia. God almighty Marcia. Take your time now, man. Lord Marcia, boy. Lord Jesus, please. Curly, take your time, Curly, take your time. Say we not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody. But Kakaya, you know better than me. Step on me corner and say, Kakaya, you know better than me. Just step on me shoes and say, just do something, do something. Kakaya, do something, just do something. You know better than me. Step on me corner and say, cause we not afraid of nobody, but we respect everybody. But me can't tell you, Kakaya, you know better than me. You know better than me. Walk on against people, my family. It's Thursday. In Jamaica, they call it Ben Johnson Day. It's just the day before the Friday that most people call a payday. But not everybody get paid on the same Friday. Because if you work fortnight and you get paid last week, you don't have no pay if you get this week. If you work month end, this Friday is the month end. Although some people might get paid from last month end. But the thing is, if you work and get paid every Friday, you know, say Friday would be a payday. Anyways, people, my family, who don't know what they do. It is so easy. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel, which is Life is a Mission TV. It has been a while. I've not seen any movements where subscription is concerned. You know, over there is very family oriented, cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, you know, drama, bar talk, street talk. You know, you get commentary and a whole newscast, sport. Well, I don't do much sports. I don't think I even ever do sports over there. But you know, you name it. Very family oriented channel. You know, you can sit down with your young kids and watch whatever is going on. Away from when we're doing a little bar or street talk. As I said, I am a person who my videos are uncut. Anything you see, I will in it. Me no do no cutting out of this and cutting out of that. No. You understand? So when I do the bar talks and the street talks, the corner talks, you know, you might have some unfiltered words that come out of the man them mouth when me can't control. Me just see it as content and like me set up 2 months say come we are gonna talk this and we are gonna say this. No. Reasoning a whole, and me feel like the reason interested can be a content and me just draw for me. You understand? And play my role in capturing some content. Things might have said where, you know. So in the title you will see it marked rated PG, so you know say boy something in this way. You don't really want a young one, but those things I hardly do those things, so it is always 98% privilege for you to have your kid side of you watching that channel, Life is a Mission TV. And it have an extended part of it on TikTok, where this now you get a whole heap of social and public commentary of what is going on in and around. You understand? So, wanna go over TikTok if you don't follow me yet over there, and follow me, like the videos, share the channel, and make a comment when you leave over here and go over there, and make me know say One Nation. Because as I said, keep repeating myself, your username that you use over here might not be the same username over there. And I want to acknowledge my people when you come across. Alright? So I'll just do that. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Still need about 87 subscribers. Please go ahead and help our subs to reach that 1,000 by subscribing to the channel. Please, it not take up no funny, it not cost $1. And you ask for it, you get it. The cash app is there, $ charms and trends. It's that time of the month when you give me. I use the gift to give back to the needy. And you don't know me, I beg you to go support also Charms and Trends. There's a site, not a, yeah, there's a website, charmsandtrend.shop, you can go to and make your purchase, as well as you can find them on Instagram and their business page. Young business just start, and you know, after 2 years they still not get off the ground, or as how they would, any business person would want their business to get off the ground. I mean, I ask you if you just go over there, go support. It's a festive season for giving gift, and at the same time, you know, you will give in a gift, you want to give a gift, you don't just want to give an orange juice box. 10 more somebody going to the store go buy the same gift. 10 household have the same gift. Come on, you want to make your loved one feel special. Get your orange juice box customized. And where else to go but Charms and Trend. Anything you see, charm underscore and underscore trends and Instagram. When you go over there, you can just drop in the DM, and anything you see, you get it customized to your liking. Your name, your married anniversary picture, your wedding picture, anything, you get it. Alright? Just support them. You know, good people also giving back, as you know, can't see who follow me. They also give back from what they don't really have to give back, but they don't know caring and sharing. And if them see it fit to give away $10 out of them $15, so be the case. You know, once them I give it from them heart, which I know they are giving it from them heart. So just go support. You know, it's Christmas, you want to give a gift, give a special gift, you know. Alright, it's today one of my subscribers reached out to me and said, boy, them finally get fit them stuff that they ordered, and she said she love it, she love it. She said she didn't even know, say to us the tumbler would be so big, because most people when them look on it, them think it look a bit, and then show them see something look cheap, you know, freely one on Amazon or in a whatsoever store them go, them feel like it's the same quality, you know. So real quality, real stuff, can guarantee you that. When you see me have my own and me I use over here and now, you understand? You might not see me use it regular handset, but I do use it. Alright, so just go support them, please and thanks. And I like say $1 million worth of goods and sitting over there now. Reasonable, but just consider shipping. Alright, make them feel good for the Christmas by supporting them. Buy your gift from them. You have tumblers, you have wine cups, you have tea cups, you have water bottle for you people who want to go to the gym, just can use as the same as the tumblers. And these tumblers you can use hot and cold in them. And if you put your cold water in it, I can guarantee you it will serve you up to an hour. If you pop that tumbler with some ice, I should say, that ice can serve you up to an hour and a half or more. I use my own and full it of some ice and drink some juice, like I'll throw some orange juice on it, and after throw the orange juice on it, drink it off. And all the morning when I wake up, I still see pieces of ice in it for over 6 hours. Probably I told me never do walk me, but that's all it is and all it's supposed to be. Your hot beverages, it hold it warm for your period of time also. Quality thing you know get. And the price is not too dear. You understand? Just think about the shipping, depends on where it is. Alright. Anyway, people, we're going to get into this now. So, them say when a dog is down, you keep them down, you know. And as I say, most time my stomach sick to come out here. I can rub up with the my alcohol before I call them. I get involved with them people and name. Yes. When a dog is down, you keep him down. Sometimes I come out here and make me feel sick in myself to call these people name over and over, back to back. But me like when I drop on one video in between them name. No cure them come out here just want to be at the forefront, want to be relevant. So they will always find themselves saying things for us to come out here and talk about them. And remember now, if you come out here and you give us content, we're going to take it. It's not all you come out here with, me and some other people might take. No, we pick and choose what we want. But whenever time we take what we want, you can't come take it off our platform. Who want watch, who no want watch, no watch. Who sick of them, sick of them. but we will always out here to show up and bring things to the public for who wanna watch, them watch. Can you imagine? Over the years, Marcia continue to justify our hopelessness, continue to justify our non-ambitious self. Can you imagine me come across this video? When she start the video, her chin first she go on. Because she claimed to say she have strolled through social media. She always a scroll through. Because she have a cook and she want to know how to use her, must say her rice cooker. So she have go and she stroll and buck up in one post her chin make. I think I see a post that chin made said, something like curly, people must beware of curly or report curly, something like so, when them see her around kids. So she take it up and I run with it. And she come out to deal with chin. But the part of the video where it not shock me, but me just can't believe say this woman will go to this depth to justify her non-ambitious, hopeless self. Curly look like she dep on a campaign based on what me understand to how she attack. She not say it in so much words. Because we out here as a Curly live in America for 40 years and not have nothing and she didn't have a house. You don't know say Curly a walk around. I look for the homeless Jamaican them where they all about a beg money and all them something there. And I question them how long them they are foreign for. And when them answer Curly, I ask them if they own any home in Jamaica. Papa Jesus, somebody come no man. Somebody come shake me and see if me still alive no man. Somebody come shake me and find out if I dream me a dream no man. Curly say she asked the man how much years them living into America. The man almost say 60 years old. So she said. And the man tell her how much years and she questioned the man asked him if he have any home back in Jamaica and the man said no. So because the man said no, Curly said, Jesus, see there? Oh no, go on like me alone. See it here? This man has 60 had that. So Curly, this is how you plan to live? Go around and seek things to justify your hopeless, non-ambitious, cruel self? You're really serious? People and me tell no lie pan her, you know. Wanna know me come out here anytime me talk off of what them say. And if them bring something come out no straight, me come and me highlight it too and make you see. Say I something bend, but you know out here see it straight and you realize it bend because the sights and the claws and the trick where them use, them blindfold, you know. So me come to take the blindfold off of you know, to make you see. We are going to make Curly talk because as me say, when a dog is down, you keep them down. And me know for the whole of this a week and weekend, yeah, she still going to dip on me and chin. And she could have add more people to it because she realized that now the pressure is on. All of the fake people them, the flanker them from down a Montego Bay, we claim to say them a planker, because them are not planker, you know, them a flanker from Montego Bay. We come out here in defense of she and realize say are the wrong thing them do. Because you can't see somebody as a dog and want to classify them as puss. A dog is a dog and a puss is a puss. You understand? And this woman come out here knowing that this woman classified as a dog. I want to make she look like say she's a puss. Let's go.
YouTube a while ago. Me see the pic, me see my picture. Me love the picture where you have up.
I search, I go and search.
Let me say this one thing to you. Come see the picture where you put up.
Search, I go and search.
Where you put up answer, where your picture say? I put in my password.
Make you try make your money for January. Because you send my money down with already. You send my money cut off people. So a January pay bill shall make a know. So she like this will happen. All this she going like she a give me content. She like when we do this.
Oh,
Because of such she can have content. Because she not no talent. She don't have no talent. None at all. None
and you see
whatsoever.
me, they must report me to the police station because me a danger to kids. And me a danger to kids and put up my name with my picture. Well, let me tell you something. Raise me with chin. Put up my picture and write long sitting underneath it. Almost 30 years, me I give back to kids in my country of Jamaica. From
I think I in the same video. Or the video before. I think this same video, Master said all I do is repeat. You know? I just repeat the same thing over. Master, I don't repeat not the same thing over. The only time I will repeat is when you come by your platform and say the same thing over and over. And when me do a video with you today and you come tomorrow as you normally do, because see, I know you cost me more repeat. This is what you do. Every day you come out here, come tell you what you do. A cocoa walk. I always say Woodland Village. I forgot your Woodland Village. I do one a foreign. Cocoa walk. You come out here, come talk the same thing every day. So and I repeat, I report. I report, you report, and me repeat. Okay. You know where Bonar? I never know say the house that can't. Let me tell you people. You see, sometimes when certain things come out here in a social media, me is not the one who are going to just jump to it. I observe, I watch, and I see where I go on. If I want to come out here come say something, I don't come out here come make it look like, oh yes, I am convinced that that is evidence. No. I will come out here if I say something about it and say allegedly. I say Ashanti show one house couple weeks ago. And when I see the house people, no come here. When I see the house, I never remember in all my years of struggling. Man come see my mother and have nothing. I struggle with me and my sister. We never live in a nothing look so yet. Despite probably nobody not living there now and it kind of bush up and something. The house coming like it in a one desolate area. Like the people them separate Kaka Eye from the rest of the community. Because the way me hear she talk about that the community and the amount of people where she feed. Me should have seen more than one outside and side. The house they in a one place like them quarantine. It coming like a quarantine master when them put her there so. And the next, hey, wait there. You know wait till she reach the house part, me talk. But me I tell you, I never know say I really the house where master used to live in Jamaica. But wait till she reach so we talk more. You know wait.
yeah, my 20th. Until over 2-3 years ago, me stop. Me give it back to children. And all my life on social media, I have made the commitment to make several hundred videos encouraging the kids them at Jamaica to stay in school and their mothers and how they're supposed to be treated. You can't go and come talk about say that to come better than that. Go and go put up your husband or your man picture who a finger your damn blood clot beating them in the house at night time.
Here she go again.
And that if you go do. In time you want.
There she go again. IRA FM new no CVM new no I don't so wait the new space name like TVJ new no sure Observant no when I something over the pan when them call the apps here again. So the name they write here saying like nah come up here so we come here so we come up. Social media newsroom, yeah. Yes, yes, social media newsroom. Me just find out where me I talk about now. And where you there? You hear this? If the one them with the passer what there, does anyone on over your ear social media newsroom come out for this video? Cause she never hear the one them Monday, the one them with me back then, the one with latest, the one with Dana Pitney and son, where she want to come back in a body bag. She never hear them there. She never did listen to social media them time, but basically she a listen now. So after me talk or after me put my thumbnail, she see and go back in. Anyone on the ear she say anything about this? Wanna tell me in the comment if on the ear she say nothing about this. So social media newsroom.
I put a picture with me if you go report. You go report your blood clot, man. We have finger blood clot.
This is the same way. It come like she have a problem when she hear about report. And you love talk about report people. It come like you have a problem with report. And you hear about report you have a problem. I report me, go report her at the station, you know. And do a video to show the people them say me go report the woman, you know. And the woman come tell me about my pitney and my 2 month, my kids them involved in my 2-month-old baby, you know. And this dirty woman over social media and mingle with nastiness. That all Queen Bee me here say over there. And I post up and I go in a comment section. You understand? And I get to understand. Let me look feet the whole on. Oh no hold on the people. Cause me tell you, say me I investigate you know man. Dirty woman who love garbage. That's why you want clean head with Queen Bee and Marcia. You understand? Because you're garbage yourself, so you want to find yourself in a garbage and then I go on like say you're clean, nice somebody and want to come mix up with clean people and clean out, good out, progressive people. That's why you come and run into the woman. When you come as false people, you know. Because you come and talk about you do mix up on do this and as soon as the woman posts you know based on what me understand. Because me tell you, say me I do my investigation, you know. As soon as the woman posts you out, you start get this only for followers. Because the woman come out, come say, you know, do mix up and you know, this and refreshing channel and one bag of sitting. From the woman post you out and goes on and get a shout out and a couple people come and join you. You find yourself all of a sudden in a mix up woman. Oh, I reach my phone here. Make I reach my phone here, people. Wanna give me a second and make I find it. Cause I get to understand that this post was made before all we are going. This post made during, see it there people, this post, see it there, that red writing there and white writing there, was made must say last week when me clap back at Queen Bee with the whole flyer business here. So a long time this woman here move at me and me no know because as me say me no know her. See she post a social media newsroom the 20th of November. A business doing well does not mean it can't benefit from more promotion. Nobody never says that. Different platforms attract different crowds. Nasty woman, germsy, rat infested, roach infested. That's why you have to follow up Curly. Make I tell you this. If you never know dunce woman who claim to say you have no subject or no bright. What kind of different crowd? 98.9 of the platform them over this diaspora are the same set of support away from the enemies them. So what different I would make to post 99 cake flyers? Where as me say, I mean take it back. 99 cake season don't need nobody to promote it. People sit and waiting on it. All 99 need to do is come out here and officially open our cake season. And if there is any difference in changes of price or any other cakes added to the list, she come out here and she announced that. Not only say 99 get up every day a post her cake flyer. She a promote other people cake by posting for them flyer. All she do is come out here every day. Tell the people them say no cake no day, them not come here till 1 o'clock. before cake ready. Tell them say nuts cake done. Tell them that's all she do. She no come out to come post her flyer. All she do is come out here and tell you the necessary changes during the day or during the week. You understand? So when you ever talk about does not mean can't benefit from more promotion, different platform attract different crowd. When you know say 98.9, 99.9% of the platform out here actually share the same crowd. So if them not hear it over Dana, them hear it over Reason in the Chin, them hear it over Leggy, them hear it over this. So what if me don't post it? Eh? You come out here side with Queen Bee, cause Queen Bee run up in your comment and you say you're planker. Look how you have a run up in your comment and you side and a speak and a spoke and a talk with her. Eh? And a respond with her and you say you're a planker. Me can't tell you who to talk to. Dana can't tell you who to talk to. But if you say you're a real planker, you are going to separate yourself from Queen Bee because you know who is Queen Bee. You know, just come out here, be a small way, me understand you're out here a long time. You're out here from the root to catch. And since the tree grow tall, and somebody come tell you, say, no man, I run at the back of the yard, and the transfer come to the front of the yard. No, you know, say right at the front of the yard, the tree catch and grow. And you accommodate Queen Bee on your platform. Because this is what she wants. She wants to go around and corrupt, you know. We claim to sound a planker, but as me sound a planker, on a flanker, don't a man to go be.
Fuck you pick them at night time in a bed.
I don't know who can hear this.
I think if you go report your man or your husband and them close to you. Because some Jamaican man do that. And other countries. So the time you're there putting up my lovely picture of my house dress. Go put up your man. And go put up your brother and your uncle. That's all. That's all I never said to you. Go put up your man or your husband or your brother or your uncle or your cousin them. With some of the family.
So, you're going to tell me now, if people come out here, come start to jog her sister, then when she claims that she love. Who no Christian, who no love passa mix up, and who no in a social media. You're going to tell me, say, nobody not supposed to come and come jog her sister and her brother will live in England and all about it. Her brother and sister them there. You hear who's your call? Uncle, husband, this and a chin. Them they share talking, you know. A family members. But if people come out and come jog for her sister, them should say a nice. You gonna have a problem with that too? Yo! What was this for me a chat? Social media newsroom, and you me a chat, you know. And I'm asking me a deal with right now, you know. And you me a deal with. When you come in like social media rat. When you come in like social media rat, just like how you have rat different house, all kind of all house to all house, searching for refuge, searching for food. I saw you coming like you are one of the social media rat out here. It have proven to me when me see you have Queen Bee all about in your comment section and you have been responding to Queen Bee over and over. Where the next one there? I wonder if I can find it. Oh, I delete it because to me all is a search space in my phone. You understand? You accommodate Queen Bee. Look what Queen Bee try to do to this woman. Eh? Look what Queen Bee try to do to this woman. And you are accommodate her. As you say, we can't tell you who to talk to. But you have come out here come talk about as we planker. We. You! Not me! Because you're not planker, you're flanker. You're weeble, not we. You're weeble.
Remember we have feel up and a rape of little bit in your yard. And them they forgot put up for danger. When me do for children, you can't walk in my foot. None at all.
And you have to repeat
my
that.
entire life.
Every day repeat this.
Like having going to Jamaica and
And who never know people? Me get it from good source. I choose some of the people them where know everything, know what is what. You know, you have to just be confidential when them say certain things to you. A young girl, when she come here come march for, is not random somebody from Kingston and know of a nigga where she don't know. It was a young miss or a little girl from Fiar place down a Cocoa Walk. That is why she come. It's nothing about she just take up herself and buy a plane ticket and come down here, come organize march or come join march. And when she the play the group where she claimed that she farm Vices for Change was the next time when she come down here. The person have been telling me about all this thing. I told me to store them things because I say I text social media that personal where people are gonna give me information and I just store it in my head. Or store it there or here. No, me not take it so personal. But when the woman called me and said, speak my mind, remember me tell you all of this, you know. That girl that when I run Vices for Change, me tell you about she, me tell you about the one named Jojo. Everything come right back to me. Say the woman tell me months, if not we in the last year. So a long time she know Marcia and she tell me some whole heap of sitting. But what? Me not put them in the back of my head. Me not store them. You understand? And it's not like she tell me to come out and come talk. She just a reason with me as a supporter and make me know certain things. Say, boy, watch ya. No pay Marcia no mind. All the way Marcia talk about a crap, XYZ, and she explain things to me. And all I reveal from the party with the Vices for Change, something called the woman, they tell me all about that. Oh no?
Wally. Annie Wally. They're going to... Me say what me say, I'm going to take it back. A report me. I will tell you now to endorse wicked people out there towards my son and my grandbaby. I will not talk fuss about my grandbaby and my son.
Lie.
If you live in a blood clot glass house, don't you a stone?
Anything people talk about your grandchild, it's to the benefit of your grandchild. For you to get to know your grandchild more. Spend more time with your grandchild.
If you live in a glass house,
Don't come out here come beg no money for your grandchild's first birthday. It don't look good.
cause if you can't take blow, don't throw stone.
But if you sing that song with yourself,
There is your face with 2 spoons. Chin, 360, speak your mind. The whole of them line up a fight over my blood clot. Shit up out of my ass. Top fight over my blood clot. Go creep out who no either. One. And leave my shit alone. That's all.
man say you're constipated. You have a seed out of Jamaica where we call oil nut. I eat my castor oil. Right now, when me a boy, them say they even eat one of the seed there. Cause if you ever eat one of the seed there, your boy will lose for all 2 days. And man say right now, you can just broke one of the pod. We have about 15 seed and eat it and no come out of your asshole. Man say you not eat nothing qualitable for defecate, man say. Man say all you eat is junk just like where your son yam, junk. So it take you 3-4 days to eat. So if we have to wait on you to have what you say we for have, would have pass off from hungry. Man say when me say if they eat even 10 of the castor oil seed there, I know you can't pass no feces. Cause nothing in you. See you sit down around one whole plate, it come like the whole farm of chicken foot that. If I not lie, that chicken foot they buy a couple months ago and put in the fridge. When the last time I see she go to supermarket and I take up things what she want, salt back, but she not buy the chicken back and she show you all kind of different meat, content is a she make. That chicken foot they buy from them. If you ever saw the chicken foot them cock up in the plate and say them cook. Me when if I straight out of the freezer she take them from. Them they cook her in the freezer and she just take them out. But she put in a rice cooker for cook. And she sit down and yam some green leaves, say vegetable salad. And you want so she are going like a hacker. I can't tell you say. I know Mac she a Mac nobody. You have a time when she do it and Mac such woman. So that's how such woman eat. Out of ignorance. It's out of how she feel the pain inside of her. To use that to try to, you know, give herself some therapy to ease that tension from her. When you check out the thumbnail. Who never see the thumbnail when I watch the video? Check out the thumbnail. Me buck up on the agya this morning. And me know me did go need. Hey, sometimes I tell people, me just a scroll, and buck up on some things that me know can use as thumbnail for some of them, not just share alone. And me just screenshot and store it in my phone for days, weeks. Because I know it must come in handy. But this is when you come in handy at the right time. Same like how the aganyam piece of the ag top of the map. I don't know if it's a species of ag that or what, a special species. But to me it come like the top of it come like me forgot to stop eating peanut and all. The top of the mouth of the ag cut off, so I just don't just alone. If you never see man yam, I see me man say yam. I got intro the video with it. And I want to check the thumbnail also. I'm going to see the aganyam live. Once YouTube not black it, you not go see it. But if them black it, you not go see it. You might just see the ag on the thumbnail. So on stay tuned.
That is it. So the time I put up my picture, I'm telling people both have a report, mate. Report them man, I husband. I am did your finger freak them on that time. You can't get you don't have no feeling on it.
You better check all the man them don't have jail house there.
One big piece of blood clot cesspool and well under that grass where a leak. How much paddy I use under that blood clot?
Are your head to one?
How much paddy I use?
No man, your head to one.
How much paddy I use?
To one your head.
We sop up the piece of river the way a blood clot leak. And similar like a river down blood clot dumpster.
But we never want your head, because your head carry germs. Your head carry germs, and I'm going to set on hose, and then we make it run through the hose and have it at this time to the next end of the hose in your mouth. And whatever come, you take it. Yeah, right, like the agna. Shit, only just listen here. I eat, you know.
Goodbye, it's worth the money. Come on social media looking anyhow. You don't see me come on social media in all kind of frack and look like I innocent. Because they can't flap me today. My man knows when they see me, I'm well dolled up and smell good enough.
You flap yourself.
So I don't care what I want. But the other day, I take one picture, I come out on social media and I go so. I did boy post on the picture on the platform. He send me a cry. And I make me come out here and make monkey face. So I'm going to all of the one, they make monkey face. And I go and post it on it. You look like say.
What a way I watch up my thumbnail then. You never tell us you're crying on it. But if I show the people that how
repeat things every single day. The same old news. The same old news and the same old sentence. The same old speech. I'm not going nowhere. In our reach now.
Everything was just say while I got the top of the video, you know, when you hear that place on top of you.
Yeah, are you working in the House of Parliament? Because all of the country can repeat the same thing over and over. Your mama did a blood clot in England. How long your mama did it? How long your mother is there in England? Where mama do in England?
Come this weekend. When last you fly?
How much I want to have cousin and relative who live in America 40 years? What them have? Me know people where they are from.
Wanna listen now, you know. You hear about she know people, she don't know nobody. Cause she go around and a search. But for your information, Curly, she's coming this week. She will be in Jamaica this week, Curly. She not have no home in England, but she sure have a house at Jamaica. Coming home too. She not going on a motel or a hotel. Because you can't live at Jamaica, live a foreign for how much years. Born and grew at Jamaica. And you don't come back home to your own home. For somebody like you will praise and talk about how much land you have done a cocoa walk. Because that's all you do, go around and own people place and people things. And if you have so much land down a cocoa walk, what you talk about? Curly, come here. Make a reason. People, hold on, make a pause, because I don't eat the peanut that I can show you. Alright, back to it now. People, no just sit and listen up. Beat to come to beat and teach and show them up, you know. Come here, Curly. If you have so much land on a cocoa walk where you boast about, You leave Jamaica at a very tender age. We know the land where you boast but is not your one, personally, but based on how you talk, it's family members own, whether brother, uncle, niece, cousin, whatsoever, or your adopted parents, which I feel more as if it's your adopted parents, because your set of parents never have nothing, and that's why your set of parents, your father abused you and run left you, and then now your mama did have to give away because of the trauma where you have got through. This woman as a Christian see where you have got through and decide to help you because she's a godly person, and this woman do what she have to do, adopt you and take you into America. You boast all about this land. You becomes an adopted child. So he's an adopted part of the family now. And you live in America for 40 odd years, because you left here about 8 or 7, 9 years, some of this. When you are left here, basically the house where Ashanti show, where you come out here and this platform, you go talk it, me go ahead of you now. The house where Ashanti show, where I was wary of really say if I your house that, where you did live in. You come out here and endorse it, you don't go and hear it further down people. Say yes, it is your house, because you say you done with the people them a cocoa walk because them come out here come expose your house where you used to live in your childhood days. So with all of what your family having in your childhood days where you are aware of, because you talk like you're aware of, and this so you did live with so much land where you talk about, and this you did live isolated, like you coming like a ass come from foreign and them have to put you in a quarantine because them don't want you come spread no international disease against the local asses them. Which part me see that the house there, I don't see another outside near, although it's a picture me I look on. You were isolated, like a ass come to Jamaica or a ass left Jamaica go to next country, because that's the policy. Them have to quarantine them because them don't want them brought anything into the country and have any breakout where the animal is concerned. So them put them in an isolated area. Vet come and check them and them there for like X amount of days, and if everything alright, then put them out now against the animals them that is out there. Where is your investment after leaving? Knowing that you have so much land in Jamaica from your adopted parents. Not even this, so you not think of having some ambition, man. In Curly? Not even this, sir. Curly, you feel like you take people for idiot, you know. You feel like you take people for idiot. Look on the little one. I tell you, so my fall cook could have make 4 or 5 of that little one room sitting the way they live in. And then you talk about you're coming from good family, good breed, and make it look as if, oh, you do okay in a life. You wasn't okay in a life. Your father put you through a lot, and this is why your mama did have to give you away. And this is why God sent this woman now as a Christian woman. You understand? To take you out of your misery, take you to America, but you was so much traumatized during the little short time you're there in your young age. No, you can't get over it. That's why you act so now as a big woman, a mother, a grandmother. You continue to behave the way you behave in a social media. Not just with people who you claim that is people who hate you, people who is your enemy. You behave so even upon the man who are give you dicky. You behave upon the people that will support your sheep business. You behave so upon the people that are on your platform night and day. The simplest a comment they make. You're coming like somebody where, you know, witness certain crime happening around them with them relative and family. So if them there so, and them just hear a door go so, them frighten, them jump because them feel like say, a pie that. Because them traumatized from back then we do them go through with them family with the same pie. So as them hear a pan knock or a bus back or a bike backfire, them start tremble, them nervous. Because them traumatized and the same type of life that you are living now. And as the people them say, that's why you come out here, come tell people all these things, because these things are things that you have experienced, these are things that you have been through. So it seems like this is a way of expressing yourself, but in expressing yourself, you want it to happen to people. Just like how you don't want to see the success of nobody because you feel like you should be the one. Simple. You point it out, oh, pastor shouldn't come mix up with these demons and give them the money. So basically, you were the godly one, so you should get all that money that the rest of people them get. And as me saying at the back of your head, you just feel like, say, oh, you were so special to pastor. Me have pastor all listen to me. I can't figure out the life what you're doing, you know. And when everything come out, now I realize, say, Sean Miller, you talk. Me have all pastor listen to me, and him now have no problem with my bad word. Him tell me, say, him just like my style. Me have people in high places behind closed door. And to Sean Miller go offer you the $1,000 now, you never know, say somebody in America that take up $1,000 just give you some. You feel like you did special. So you take it, and when you hear from the shout, all your enemy them get money too. That make you get so irritable. That make you get pissed off. Because you think you were into a special bracket. And when you realize you wasn't nothing special, the man just go and bless some people. And because you find yourself in the needy position that you're in, almost homeless, thanks to the couple people who reach out to you behind your closed door. And the liquor way it have, you could have put it together for staying to the Marriott. But the exact time that you leave the Marriott, you could not have spent another week. Because you couldn't afford it. Marcia, you just come out, you come, you know, tell one bag of lie. The biggest lie you have told in social media circle. I wanted to wonder if you want to say it was $1,500 you were working a week. That's all me can say is a mistake you make. When you come out here, but it couldn't be a mistake. Because you repeated 3 times that you're working the equivalent of 1.5 million in Jamaican. And when I check that, the equivalent in US dollar is $10,000 you are work a week. The amount of people in my comment section say them know how much professional people who is out there working and not working so much money. In a week, you work 10,000 and you quit working so long. Hey, how much I know out there have God phone number? If I even the one them take on a WhatsApp message, I want God phone number. Me not have to talk to him, I just want to send him a message. Somebody put God phone number in the comment section. If I the WhatsApp one, you tell me. If I the one that can get him straight, you tell me. If you need to have him disciple them number, give me it. I want to call him. I want to talk to God. I want to find out from God how him do so good for Marcia. And what kind of blessing him give her so in abundance. I want to call God. I need to speak to him. Because I want to show up Marcia some more so she a liar. I want to know what kind of blessing God give you, Marcia. So much other needy people will worth it. Nah, get it. Them have to still a wait in line. And up to when you claim to say you get your blessing, up to when you go for the blessing, you're a sinner. Using God as a face shield. When you claim to say you get the blessing, you still use God as a face shield. And up to now, you still use God as a face shield. You know what, people out there are serving long time and all know them not quit. And if them even go in there for sitting and not get it, them still not quit up till now. And them not get no blessing and you get so much. You not send God phone number come. Send God phone number come and me call him or WhatsApp him.
So much years bigger than me. Me book up one man down a Woodland village in a supermarket I beg money out of door. Me question him and ask him, same day from 1976. That time he wrote 3-year-old. Him is a bum now. He say I've not been to Jamaica since he came here. He probably don't even have a Ross green card, I don't even know.
Company share look with her non-ambitious self. Dirty life.
I beg you out of supermarket, I beg dollar. Many of them me see.
Company you look with the dirty life. Them and them dirty life. Them and them dirty life. And them now live
Are
right.
you here? Me the American 40 but me live here. Jamaica. You know, should I get your education, I go college and build up. You're not supposed to do my Jamaica. You're not supposed to do my social media big and I use my content. Huh? So what about your family? What about your family when come up here?
Everything
What about the family living with 20, 30
to
years?
justify her dirty nasty and miss it.
And they send
None
me
of
them
this
in the
yourself.
yard and then come up in the damn piece of 2 room and 1 room and them stay in there until everybody walk and buy something, right?
You would have half of him to come back to Jamaica.
Good night. What you have?
This is what you want to
I
chew
would
like
have
a
me
hog.
know. Popular
This
me
is
and
no
I'm
woman
like
to chew like a hog.
house and me don't want no bumbles. If you don't want me a house, come blood club, right? Come by.
No worry. 1 year out of the work where you can come buy one clothes. Not up in the rich area. And up there you want to go live. I ain't never work towards it.
So, you grudge me? You grudge me for 40 years? You grudge me for my passport? You grudge me for? You grudge me for passport?
1 year out of working, 1.5 million. That is 18 million Jamaican dollars. You can find a little old house to buy from living in Jamaica. No, this is
This is a synthetic here,
a
people.
big money here,
But
right?
it's seed pan,
10,000 US a week. Cut back on your spending and your yamming. And you will achieve one
Remember,
old
it's a star.
tabernacle.
I'm gonna turn us into a star. A family will love each other and stick together. We love each other. You can't. We're a star. We're a star. We're 2 good-looking grandpicnic and son. Show food the old one.
Family will look good and live together. And all these things where you know see for days and years and weeks.
And them something. Them not put up a nice picture with me, you know. Them put up a worse picture where people come on social media. You see that? And take them off on video. I'm lucky. That's why I always get the hot man them and the good up man them. I have you. Because the man them see me. When me not dress up.
And you can't expose the hot man them.
That's why I always get the man them.
And you can't expose the hot man them.
Big up to the silent watchers them coming on there. To the man they will love Marcia. I mean, no lot of wanna watch me because you guys saw me on social media. Don't follow these big pussy girl. You understand? Don't follow them. Them a gold digger.
You wish to have these 10 people that watch you. You wish to be a garbage like yourself.
Don't give them nothing.
Follow
Unless
you
them
and share you.
evidence to. If them make them share, don't make them contact when they get no money for buying a breast body or nothing. If you want them to live together, just wine them and dine them. That is it. If them not give no pussy, not give them the body either. It take 2 feet of time, they're going to lose dildo. Everyone likes it, they're hot. Come pick up a big fat ugly girl, them like me. Yes. And the cocker-eye girl, they call me. I'm come pick up.
Yeah, but right, because you know the condition you try bank and the people they can hear. That's why you stay in a real life.
Then I want to show the true color.
That's why you stay in a real life. You try bank and people will look better at you, man.
Come here and bleach out and then they attack people. Come on then. Big up to many people who are in the hospital and nursing home. Who call me and say, Marcia, you keep me company at night time.
You alone on social
Big
media.
up to my people from Atlanta.
You alone on social media, bro.
My friend them. I'm good up supporters them.
You alone on social media to entertain people.
From Florida. I know she's in Jamaica. And they provoke me. And God say must provoke me to rot. I'm not apologizing to them. Maybe when we baptize again. Me not baptize when we raise consecrate or whatever they want to call it.
I wonder who asked you for
I come out
apology.
and say, God forgive me. Me no owe them no apology.
I do want apology. Nobody else can have
Them
it.
you expect somebody to chop me for much years and me not cuss them out? Huh? Them out?
Sure, no, me not beg you none, because I can't anger you.
Then I wish mother wouldn't come out and defend them pitney. Which mother? If you're in a blogging world. Huh? Which mother? Tell me which mother. Huh? Start again, girl. Huh? platform for people.
Social media newsroom. You hear that? Wish mother wanna come out here come defend them pitney. So wish father wanna come out here come defend them pitney. Because this is not about woman gender, you know. This is about parent. Which father wanna come out here come defend them pitney? Answer the question. Answer Marcia as she a pick up for answer. Now answer me. Me just throw the question at you. Because one of the ear, one not ear. You understand? And one of the see, one not see. So me just throw the question at you. Don't answer me, answer Marcia. Which mother wanna come out here come defend them pitney? And which father wanna come out here come defend them pitney? Answer Marcia.
You know how much
Drop in
hundred
our
people
DM.
that I have assisted with my channel over the past decade and a half?
This is the woman you are saying
You
repeat.
know how much joy and happiness I have brought to children
You're tired to hear them and
and
something.
people's lives? Until if you come by me?
Tired to hear them and something. Repeat it over and over.
You know how much
Then
people
you
I
talk
pass
about
on the road and come talk to me and me give them money? Me must stay away from children. You should get sued for that. That is a big
and listener will contradict herself after saying
slandering
this.
right here.
Listener.
You should get sued for that.
Listener will contradict herself now. Freedom of speech.
You put up my picture. And me never have a record in my life. And
You
me
should have
never
time,
been charged
man.
for molestation.
You see how long she ever
So
take
the
to me.
blood clot, you put up my picture on big social media platform and write a statement like that. When me never got
Make you play us first.
jail in my life for molestation. And
You don't have to go to jail for molestation. You don't have to be sentenced for molestation. For a judge to restrict you from going around kids. There is many different things you can do where a judge can restrict you from going around kids. It don't have to be molestation. So check your facts. So don't come out here come talk about, oh, I don't molest any, I never go to jail for molestation. So all you mean you come right up that about stay away from kids? Well, when you not come out here and forgot check on the facts and don't make the wolf get the better of you. Check on the facts and not make the wolf get the better of you. Because right now you make the wolf get the better of you because you not check on the facts and come out here to come just chat because you have a mouth cut cross with your chat. I don't chat nothing with sense, nothing with any, thing where nobody can even learn from. I can say, boy, the first time I hear this, I'm going to find out if it's true. Be a crap on the talk. Crap. But on a crap on yourself.
children nothing. How dare you, bitch? How dare you? You forget sue for that. But long run short catch. You forget sue for that. A slander in that. Huh? Me never charge for none of them that's for
You don't slander nobody else.
start a business there. And you have to put up a say, take care of me, must call the police if you see me around children. Huh? Really? You know how much things you talk about the Prime Minister and the President of the United
This is the
States?
contradiction now.
My one is called freedom of speech. I live in the United States. I don't know if you live in Jamaica.
See, not everybody else one is conviction of speech.
I
That's
hear when I go
freedom.
on phone and tell the Prime Minister to go suck out this, that, war. The other day, my sister tell me say one woman go for Facebook and do one video cuss out the Prime Minister and tell me I have no respect for women who come out of social media and endorse about him and because me and my business. I will tell you your page to talk about Rider. I said, no, stop Rider. Give it to her. Give it to she and her pitney. Then I will tell you something. As a mother, how much I want to when on social media cost me and talking about me. I wanna have a family member or a nephew or a son right now behind bars. Worse than what CJ do. I pay young people that are
Justify,
right
mafia,
now.
justify.
And I want a relative.
That is just you justify
One of the nephew and brother.
your wrongdoing with the next man one. Justify it. That's just you and your own change. Only change you have changed is to look like Hulk. Like when Hulk changed. No other change.
I would tell you, every time you watch a page, you always a push for the boy that talk about me and CJ. You never send out to win out for them.
Not me, she talk 360 she talk. She said she not a back up 360.
Rider. Well, you know the fear riding now? Take it. Take that bitch. Like a red riding hood. Take it. Me no respect no matter out there.
But what kind of riding China get? Are you a ball? Chin nah ball.
I don't know life go already.
Chin nah ball, you know? Are you a ball? Chin just come out here come address you. You understand? Or dress you like a sword. But are you the one who are ball about thumbnail? You and your friend them. You understand? A ball about thumbnail. So everything backfire upon you.
Pushing. No. Anything. Come on, my mouth. Come America, come report me. Come report me, America now. You can't report me at Jamaica Beach. I live in America. I got freedom of motherfucking speech.
Just like how to live at Jamaica and freedom of motherfucking speech.
I can just as I can't disrespect the Prime Minister yard, we can't disrespect one or two.
Oh, that dropping right there,
Big
sir.
up to the Prime Minister, I still like
That's why we can diss you too. And that's why we're going to continue diss
Big
you.
up to the Liberal Party.
You know why you're not about you want.
Social media talk about it. It's about to my sister. My sister called me, asked me. I may donate $2 about me. Tell them so I never want to do it. Because I never want to give them nothing that cook or enjoy with my
Yeah,
money.
for me know say the house are true.
Claudia, say to me, say,
You don't want to see the
you can't
house.
take one bad lamp while all.
Come like a rabbit cage. So are you really living at that?
I tell Claudia, say them turn me off. Them I take picture from my whole house. I grew up in my left Jamaica.
Your
40
rabbit
years
cub.
ago. And
Because
put
that's
it
not a
on social
house, that's
media,
a
talk
rabbit
about it.
cub.
But we suspect I would do it.
That's not even fall cub, that is a rabbit cub or a pigeon cub.
Curly so come. I say, you turn me off. It turn me off. Finna give back nothing.
Lie you tell. Because this house business just happened like probably a few months ago, probably 2 months ago, if so much. And you have been saying that you not give back nothing to Cocoa War for the longest a while. You save your money, you nyam out your money cause this, that, terror, and that. So it's not about this whole situation. You're too lie, man. You're too damn... Hey, oh, it's a lie, man. Ashanti expose the house just like month and other go 2 months, if so long. Because do a time of flight, sometime me dey back it. Not in front. So all that for make you now give back nothing. You just not have nothing to give back. And because you not have nothing to give back, you have been saying this here a long while, so you not give back nothing to Cocoa War. Well, man, you're too lie.
Because you can't follow them. So she always do a little treat, know if you like, probably not if you like. Tell the truth. I am here for love, not for likes. Regardless or not, miss.
Anyway, speak with my family. We come to the ending because I want some time to add the piece and I want to add with the organ thing. So, what you know to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch it as and continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Run go over TikTok to support me. Follow me on TikTok over the Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. And the cash up is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me a gift to give back to the needy. And please go support Charms and Trends. Charm_and_Trends on Instagram. Reach out to the DM, in the DM, and order something. Best way, best place to stop to buy a gift of meaning for your loved one. Charms and Trends. Bless upon yourself.